Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. Now guys, today I'm super excited because this is part 2 in my Christmas takedown series. I did do part 1 a couple of days ago where I did our dining room, and in this video I'm showing you guys around the living room and the kitchen because we'll be taking down the Christmas decor in these two areas. Now, as you can see in my living room, I do have 2 Christmas trees up, and we have the fireplace mantle to take apart and put away all of those items, and then the kitchen island. So I didn't do a whole lot of Christmas decor this year, but it's still quite a bit of work to take everything down and put it away. So I thought I'd bring you guys along for this second part. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, throughout the video, I will show you like the before with all of the Christmas decor and the after I've taken everything down. So as you can see here, I've taken all of the garlands off of the fireplace mantle, and I've put away my nativity scene from the hearth, and everything is in bins, and then I will prepare the bins to be stored away in my storage area. So now that we have the mantle taken apart, we'll go ahead and start taking all of the ornaments off of the Christmas trees. And here's the tree after everything's been taken off. And I'm just going to do the same thing to the other tree. I have the boxes here. These 2 trees are exactly the same. And I like to just put them back in the same boxes that they came in to store them away each year. So as you guys can see here, I have everything stored away in my bins. So it will be ready to use again next year. Now we're moving on to the kitchen decor. You can see this is how my island was set up for Christmas. I did really love this display. I thought it was very pretty and very kind of nostalgic for me, but it's time to take it all down. And here's the look without the Christmas decor. And for now, I'm going to leave this just as it is. I think it's really pretty. Eventually, I may move things around a bit as I start decorating for spring, but for now, I'm going to leave it just like that. I think it's really nice. Now moving on to our coffee station and cocoa bar area. I'm going to take down all of the Christmas decor here. And as you can see, again guys, I didn't do a whole lot. So this Christmas takedown is really easy compared to what I've done in the past years. But yeah, we're just going to remove all of the Christmas decor and leave the items that I'll use for every day. So this is the everyday look. We still have all the items that we like to use for our cocoa and s'mores. And then we still have our coffee area here as well. And I have to say, guys, I did get a new Keurig for Christmas. And so I will be pulling that out a little bit later and doing my coffee station in another video when I'm ready. But I'm excited about that. So this is the kitchen without the Christmas decor. Everything's taken down. It's just fresh and ready for the next decor. Now back here in the living room, the only thing left of the trees are the bases that I did get those from Walmart. So I'll be putting those away. And yeah, but there are the bins there. So I'm just going to get the lids on those and get those stored away as well. And my reindeer, I'm going to store them in a separate place because I'm not going to put them in bins. So that is the space. Now looking back into the living room, you can see we still have the pillows and things to deal with on the sofa. And there's glitter everywhere. So it's time now to go ahead and start cleaning up now that we've gotten all of the decor basically taken down. So as I mentioned, there is glitter everywhere, especially the sofas as well. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the sofas off so that we can remove all of the glitter and just have a nice clean space. And now that everything's all put away, this is how the house looks with no decor. This is just your everyday basic look. No seasonal decor is out. There's no throw pillows on the sofa. Everything is just blank space. Now, you guys know it won't stay like this long, but I thought I'd show you guys what it looks like when everything is cleaned up and put away and it's just the furniture there, basically. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. Again, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so very much for stopping by. I really appreciate all of your support, and I hope that you will leave a comment down below to let me know what you guys think. I know that most people start taking down their Christmas decor on December 1st, or at least after the 1st of the year. And that's what I normally would do, but this year I decided to get an early start so that I'll just have it all down and we can get the new year started off fresh. So I'm excited about the upcoming year. I hope that you guys are as well. I pray that you all will have a blessed and wonderful new year. And of course, I look forward to seeing you more in 2021. For my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much. And of course, I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.